Why could God be so biased and unfair to some ladies? You just look at you. How can God give one person all this beauty and not just about your beauty? You are heavily endowed. I mean, minus nothing. No, wait, wait. Well, tell me, how do you actually survive all this jealousy from your colleague girls?
Come on, this is flattery.
Not at all, it's just me being honest. By the way, I'm Lloyd,
Larisha,
meaning victory of honor.
how come you know?
Well, that would be a story for another time.
Oh,
Yo! Yo!
Lloyd,
Slow down.
Lloyd,
Slow down.
Lloyd,
The last time I told you that